Dealers often end up with these disconnected, fragmented campaigns because it's kind of a nature of the beast, right? If you have co-op, you get these co-op funds that you need to spend, and the manufacturer has these improved vendors, and you're busy doing your data. You're trying to win the day. You're trying to hit your objective. You just need to make a decision. So the first one that reaches out, or you just say, hey, this looks great, I'm just going to do it. What that turns into over time is this fragmented strategy that can lead to the whole pain point of all this money being spent on advertising, but you're not sure if it's working or not. When things are great, does it really matter? You're selling cars and you're doing really well. It may be okay. But as soon as things start getting tough and you're going to have to make some decisions to shift your advertising, you're going to be slow to the draw while your competitors are being proactive and making their moves in the market. That's going to put you even further behind. It's just really important to try to collect your strategy, understand what you're trying to accomplish, and collect these vendors and connect them together and make sure they're all rowing the right direction.